Good morning from BTP again. Michael is here to talk to you yet again. Our weather here in Adelaide today is not the best, and we've over the weekend had a number of outages and things happen with client servers. We've got a power repair going on at the moment on McGill Road with all kinds of things happening. And I had a thought, well, on the weekend we talked about monitoring, but didn't get deep into the paid for monitoring and what we actually do. So I thought it was about time maybe to discuss that, let you know what we do for paid monitoring, and if you find that you don't have that service with us yet and you'd like to, let us know, and obviously in the comments also give us a phone call and we'll hook you up and let you know how it works. Now, paid for monitoring is what we call 1.25 block hours per month for the first two servers, which basically block hours is our way of giving you bulk hours at a reduced rate. So it's not a very expensive per month, and it looks after servers, workstations, whatever you want monitored, you let us know. So what do we monitor? Now, here's our morning report. So between 8:30 and 9:30 in the morning, we've got two teams that are currently going through 40 odd servers each and attach bits and pieces. First thing they do is go through the backups, make sure the backups are done. If the backups aren't done, they give you a call, they let you know, change a drive, and they manually start a backup. We can't let you start the week without a backup. Then we look at disk space. We look for any disk space that may have changed dramatically. So let's say that the disk space has dropped by 10 gig and we don't know why. We'll actually investigate and find out why. Then we have spam. If you have a huge increase in spam, or any of the Hewlett-Packard servers are triggering an error, or maybe UPS is triggering, or a NAS is triggering, or something else is going on, and we record and monitor on that as well. Then we have security alerts. If your server's been trying to be contacted by 10,000 people from Russia overnight, we know about it. If we suddenly discover that people's passwords have expired, or too many attempts have been attempted at a password and been wrong, and therefore the person now has a locked account, we know about it. If people's passwords haven't expired in 3,000 days, and we know that's a security risk, we'll let you know because we know about it. And then we go through all the server reports. So we look at the event logs, we look at what's happened in the last 24 hours, and we make sure that anything pops up, needs a hot fix or patch, or needs reconfiguration, and we jump onto it. And we do that for Monday, we do that for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We do it all the way through, and then these reports are archived. So for your money, what do? Well, we go through anything that can be monitored, anything that has an alarm light on it, anything that can send us an email. So that's anything from hardware, software, through to devices on the network, monitoring NAS units, photocopiers, routers, firewalls, monitoring security, antivirus updates, antivirus failures, any virus triggers in the last 24 hours, service packs, patches, hot fixes, backups that didn't work properly, backups that the drive wasn't changed, or the NAS unit hadn't backed up properly, or the cloud service had failed. We go through all of that. We do all that between 8:30 and 9:30 in the morning every weekday, except public holidays. And for that, we make sure we get in touch with you by 9:30 if we need to do something. Obviously, after a long weekend, backups may fail, people forget to do things. We jump in on Tuesday morning and make all that work as well, so that you're covered. You got a backup, you got no viruses, and you're being monitored. All the monitoring reports come to us as emails, and they come into us before 8:30 in the morning, so we pretty much know where your server is at. We have one person doing the monitoring reports, morning reports, and we have the other people going through and following up on the tasks. So that's what we do for monitoring. Like I said, it costs 1.25 hours per month for the first two servers based on our block hour system. So if you're interested in monitoring for your server, or maybe you have a bunch of workstations you want monitored, or a NAS unit, whatever it is, give us a call, let us know, we'll add you to the list. Thank you very much, have a great day, thanks for being with me.